Hello friends, welcome. BDA e-auction. How to do BDA e-auction? Okay, hurry. Only few days left for bidding. You can sit anywhere in the world and see and select your ideal plot and purchase. You can sit anywhere in the world and purchase the plot. For demo videos, for demo videos and information regarding bidding and participating e-auction, please visit www.bdabengaluru.org. For more details, you can visit www.bdabengaluru.org. To participate in the bidding, you need to have eproc.karnataka.goin. Go to this website and you can register over there to participate in the bidding. If you have any doubts, you can call this number 080 460 1000. Okay, and the other number is 22631 1200. There is no middleman to participate directly in the e-auction. And BDA wishes you all happy Dasara e-auction of a premium corner site. And this, the e-auction website. For example, let's go to eprockarnataka.goin. Okay, this is the website e-procurement. Click on this. Once you click on this, it's in Kannada. You can change it to English. You can click over English over here also. You can click on English. Once you click on English, you have like options like tenders, tender closing today, published, auctions, live auctions. Click on auctions. Once you click on auctions, sorry, but the page you are looking for you cannot be found is no longer available or has been moved. Yes, this website doesn't work in Google Chrome. It works only in the Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Let's open Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer. I've opened Internet Explorers Karnataka. Sorry, EPRO. First, EPROC Karnataka.govin video. Okay, and click on e-procurement. Once you click on e-procurement, and you have options like English or Kannada, and now you have like all the options. Click on auctions. Once you click on auction, it loads up. It takes time in the Internet Explorer to load up. It's loading up. Let's wait for some time. It's like yeah. Now it's open in a different browser. You can see over here. It works in Internet Explorer. It has opened in this, and you have the options. Here you have departments. You have a list of departments. In this department, you need to select Bangalore Development Authority or Bengaluru Development Authority. Auction status, it is published. You need to change it to live auction. Once you click on live auction and you click on search button. Once you click on search button, it takes some time to load up. Let's wait, and you'll get the details of all the site numbers. I'm just doing search again. Let's, yeah, you can see BDA site number 334 residential corner intermediate site at Banchakri 6th stage first block, inviting strategy open, type forward, bid type simplified, live. Okay, and if you click over here, view the auction details, and if you click over here, download auction documents, and if you click here, user, you can click on this, view the auction details. Once you click on the auction details, you get all this. What are the details? Contact details, photo identity, scan and upload PAN card, address proof, display, reserve price made. Okay, I'm just closing this. Let's close it. And if you don't have, you can view the auction details. Once again, you can view the auction details. And initial price 45,000, bid charge price is 500. Auction start date is 12th October 2020. Auction end date is November 3rd 11/20/20, Delta time 5 minutes. And Delta time, I have read the terms and condition. You can read all this, and please refer the BDA website, BDA Bengaluru English auction for the terms and condition. Contact details, upload your specified format attached. You can take a piece of paper and sign, make a signature of yours, and photo identity and specimen signature for form attached by the gazetted officer or notary. Scan and upload the PAN card from attested by the gazetted officer or notary. Address proof, Aadhaar card, and display all this and close it. Once you close it, and now we have seen view the auction details. Now we have the option to select download auction documents. You have download auction documents like contact details, BDA e-auction with map, photo identity specified signature PDF, and simplify. These are the 4 files where you can download. Simplified e-auction will have all those details. I have already downloaded it in simplified e-auctions. For example, I'm zooming it for everyone so it's visible for you. This all the details has been mentioned, a step-by-step process. For example, auction. Once you click on auction, then you have click here to view the auction details. And once you click on register, I'll show you how to if you are in a new user, click here to register. And to register, bidder shall enter required information. First name, last name is username, password, confirm password, email ID, alternate email ID, and his PAN number is compulsory. Bidder shall enter required information for registration, in which city you were born, and your contact information, and building, block number, city, PIN code, and your bank details, bank name, bank account number, bank account holder, branch name, and branch code. And once you enter all these details, first name and all this detail, click here to register. You will be able to register. Once you are registered, click here to, once you are registered, all the detail is confirmed, click here to complete the registration and continue. Once you continue, what happens is next click here to download the documents. You need to go to the procurement process and go to the click here to download the document. You need to click on this icon, the green icon, and once you click on the green icon, you will be able to see auction processing fees, EMD payment, general condition of eligibility, upload auction document, and declaration. Click here to pay the auction processing fees. Auction processing will be 500 rupees to EMD will be 4 lakh rupees. Complete each task one by one. Okay. First, select any mode to make payment. You have credit card, direct debit, user internet banking, that's internet banking, or Bangalore one or Karnataka one, remittance at the bank counter. Double click for the more info on ePay Me. Okay, once you make all the payment, for example, if you're doing all this payment type, payment reference number, account number, and your name of the supplier, contract, and everything, and bank transaction reference number, click here to download the transaction number and payment, update the payment. For more details of payment, kindly contact e-payment document and the list of auctions. And general condition and eligibility, read the general condition and eligibility, and you need to click all this SSSSSS, read this and click on SSS, and you need to click S, click on save. Once you click on save, upload auction document, click here to upload the auction document which you downloaded previously. You need to upload the auction documents. And now the auction purchasers should be citizen of India. You should be citizen of India. Scan and upload relevant document. You should be citizen of India. So yes, and voter ID, driving license, passport, or Aadhaar card number you should upload. PAN number attested with the gazetted officer. Photo identity, you can give it as Aadhaar card. Specimen signature and communication details. And once you upload all this document, you will be able to see the selected documents over here. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, you have it click on declaration form. Once you click on declaration, it will ask declaration form and submit. Click on declaration. I agree for the terms and condition. You need to mention I have read all the terms and condition. I agree for it. Save and continue. Agree, click and save and continue. And you have like clicked auction processing fees, EMD payment, general condition and eligibility, upload auction document, and declaration is done, and click and submit. Submit interest for participation. Yes, click on submit. Your interest for participation e-auction is auction has been submitted successfully. Interest for participation submitted successfully. Live auction under auction management. Click on live auction to participate live bidding. Okay. Then you will be able to see the sale of sites in whichever the sale now right now is there. You can see over here. Click on bid. Make sure we install Java time runtime environment. For this, you don't need to worry about it. You can use Mozilla Firefox or you can use Internet Explorer. It will work easily over there. And now you will be able to see enter your bid amount here. Bid amount should be multiples of bid change price. What is the bid amount you are planning to enter over here? And you can plus or minus and bid. For example, it has been mentioned like um, Sky as bidder 62,000, Moon 60,000, Poles 52,000. Whatever the bidder you want to bid, you can enter the bid. Here a bidder can view the other bidder amount on the particular auction. Okay, and click on bid. This is a complete process which has been mentioned for a simplified e-auction BDA with comments. It's mentioned over here. You can download it from over here. If you want it, you can just comment on my video so I can provide you the details. Just go back. See, you can see all these details for where I got this download auction document is. Click on this. You will get all this and go back here. And if you want to register, I'm telling you for new users, if you're a new user, click on register, username and password, forgot username, forgot. Click on register, first name, last name, username, all these details you need to finish and register and complete and submit. Okay. This is the Karnataka Public Procurement Portal where you will register. And let me go back. Okay. This is the complete how the registration process works for the BDA property through e-auction. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section. I would look forward to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.